Hello everyone, welcome to another update. Today is January 5th, 2021. Okay, and the market is doing exceptionally well. If you look back at yesterday's video, you'll notice that this was at 15,000 bits. Today at 62,000 bits. Guys, everything is just going very well today in the market. So let's take a look at why that is. Let's look at our daily financial market report, and that will kind of give you a generalized story as to why that is. Always look at the MAS score. Now, we do see that it is January 5th. Always make sure that you see the date here whenever you're checking these updates. Those of you who are in free trial, those of you who are in signals, those of you who are in account management and want to take a look at this as well, you also get access to this daily financial market report. So always look at the date. The MAS score, you see that? That's why it's green. Now, yesterday, I told you guys that we had some factors. There were three factors that was pretty much, they were giving us a little bit of a choppy start. Let's just put it like that. All right. And I already went over that in yesterday's video. You can go back and look for that previous video. But those other factors have been removed. One of those factors two of those factors. One is the fact that it's Tuesday. That's one of the reasons why we usually always place trades on Mondays and Tuesdays. Tuesdays, usually that's the prime day to place trades. This is why. Because all the data that's coming in from the weekend hasn't fully been calculated yet. So if you're going to make a trade based on insufficient data, then you may get insufficient results. All right. But if you're gonna make a move based on accurate, more sufficient data, then your results are gonna pay off as well. Sometimes you can make those trades on a Monday and you might not suffer anything the next day, but it's still working on a smaller percentage of accuracy because all of the computers are still calculating all of the transactions around the world. So it takes time. So now that's removed out of the way. Another thing that was removed out of the way is the dollar index. So we do see a movement in the dollar index that we were looking for. And once we were able to see that, oh my goodness, profits just shot up. Hey, you could either take my word for it or you can go to our website. Click on the strategy proof page. Look at all of the accounts. You can scroll down. All right, I'll show you how to do it real quick. Go to our website. All right, I'm going to go to the Forex Helper. And let me try a different view. I'll try the desktop view for this one. Let's see here. Oh, I guess I can't do a desktop view right here. Oh, there we go. All right. So if you're on the desktop view, you can go to the top here where it says strategy proof. Right there. And you click on that. When you get to the strategy proof page, let's see. Once this loads, did it load? No, it hasn't loaded yet. All right, so it's taking a little while to load. I'm not sure why that is. Yeah, so once you go to the strategy proof page, I'll just wait for this to load. I'll talk while it's loading. Then you're gonna go to the button. There's a button there that you're gonna press. There we go. Okay. You're going to click on this button here, see more verified results. When you go to see more verified results, you can see this person's account. Now, these are real members, real life members. It's not all of our members, but it's a sample. And they're very happy. I mean, we were getting calls today of just sheer joy collecting their profits. Some of them collected $1,000. I mean, you can look at see how much they collected too. Here, this one here profited $500. Okay, this was updated 29 minutes ago. They just made $548 profit, and it's only Tuesday. And they've been making profit because you can look at the chart and see, and there's still more profit for them to make. The yellow is indicating, I mean, they've grown 110% in equity, and currently in profit 76%. So in other words, if I were to collect the profit, which I will, this account would jump from 76% to 110%. Guys, this is the real deal. If you scroll down, you got some more. Look at these guys. This is all green. They're making profit. Everyone is making profit here. There should be no reason why, especially when you're looking at the evidence, it's just like, show me the proof, here it is. Okay. These accounts are all real except for that demo right there. Still using the same strategy, same principles. I hear people say, oh, it's a demo, Oh, okay. Well, listen, the strategy is still the same. The strategy is not a demo. The strategy is an actual real strategy. Okay? And all of these real accounts that are verified, take a look. Take your time. Look at them. Take your time and look at each one and see for yourself and see how great the strategy has been. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. Just check it out for yourself. All right. So back to the MAS scores, 87%. So it's basically very profitable right now. This is the time to get in. If you want to get in right now, you want to get in when the MAS score is green. Just like right now, it's green. Get in right now. Get in right now. This is where the profits are going to be soaring high. Okay? I mean, just wow. Okay? So let's take a look at the other markets. That was the Forex market. Let's take a look at commodities market. Commodities market. Now it's starting to get into, it got out of that storm yesterday. Had a little bit of a rocky start. Now the clouds have cleared away. The sun is shining, and there's profit to be made in the commodities market, guys. Come on, get in right now. And you know what? And you also want to know when the profits are going to be a little bit of a struggle. You might be a type of trader that says, well, I'll sit out this time because I see the MAS score is a little bit low and it's in the red. Especially if it's in the red, you might be one of those traders or investors that say, I would prefer not to trade right now. Well, guess what? You would know. You would know because you get access to our daily financial market report. You would know. You would know. You wouldn't be in the dark. You wouldn't be clueless as to what's going on. Because let's be honest, most times, most people are looking at the market, and all they see is just lights blinking in on and off, and up and down, and green, and blue, and red, and just like Christmas lights or something. Like, what is going on here? That thing will wrap around your head if you don't know what's going on. It could be something good going on. It could be something bad going on. Now, I will say this. The volatility index is still sky high, but it's going in our favor, guys. It's going in our favor. Share this video. I don't really tell you guys to share videos, but share these videos with your Forex friends and tell them, hey, this stuff is real. All right, share these videos. If you're on YouTube, like the videos, subscribe, and share. That's what I should be saying more often. Okay, because you're going to be helping people. You're going to be helping someone get some valuable information that will help them in the long run. All right. Cryptocurrency market's on fire too, guys. So all these markets are doing pretty well right now. Indices market not too good. Now, I haven't turned on the news, but if you were to turn on the news, you probably hear some news about the Dow's falling down. I'm pretty sure. Just real quick, let me just take a look and see. All right, because our report is telling us this. I don't watch the news. I should watch it a little bit more than but let me see the market. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq, okay? Because our report says one thing. All right. See what's going on with the news. Let's see what the news is reporting here. All right. Okay, 3 days ago. I'm looking for something more recent. 18 hours ago. Let's see. All right, I don't see anything. Nasdaq index, not Nasdaq index. Let's look at the Nasdaq here. Well, let's see. All right, let's see if there's anything on the S&P. Okay, just kind of see what's going on. Okay, well here we got 18. This was 18 hours ago though. There was a slight rise. There goes that rocky start. I mean, I did mention something about I didn't say rocky start, but we did kind of had a struggling start yesterday. I'm not really finding exactly, and I don't want to make this video too long by me searching for news stories, but let's try one more index, and let's see this, the Dow Jones. Okay, well, CNN reported on the Dow, so it's been a little shaky between. Here's a CNN report. The Dow tumbles on first trading day of 2021. Yeah, that definitely was a serious tumble, actually. It was extremely insane. But then 11 minutes ago, let's see, Dow jumps 100 points as stock market recovers. So it's kind of up and down. Yesterday it tumbled. 11 minutes ago, a report from Investors Business Daily shows that it was a 100-point recovery. An hour ago, the Dow Jones reverses lower as Apple rebounds. Okay. All right, so it's a little up and down with it. Okay, here's Fox a day ago. That was yesterday. 382 points. That was a pretty strong drop, by the way. I've seen it in one of the accounts, but on a special account, not any account that we trade. We don't put any indices unless there's certain things that we look for before we place any kind of indices on any of our members' accounts. But those things did not match any of the criteria for us to place, especially the Dow or the Nasdaq, especially right now in this season. Okay, but there are times when the indices are really on fire and everything's doing great and everything's going just strong, especially when the MAS score is at 100%. All right, but anyhow, just looking at some of these reports, just trying to see if what the news is saying. How does the stock market perform after a 1% drop or worse to start a year? So I guess for the most part, there was a, here's another report 4 hours ago. 2 big reasons stocks are struggling as 2021 kicks off. So there was a struggling start for the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and especially the Dow Jones. Especially the Dow Jones, okay? What does it say? What does it indicate? What is it trying to tell us? Are we going to see some more downward movements? Well, what I would suggest is this. I would suggest to take a look at our daily financial market report. When you get access to this report, you'll be able to see. Look at the current market movement. I've already indicated on this report what's going to take place, or what's currently taking place, I should say, with the current market movement. Now, there's some opposing forces with the current market value and current market movement as of today with some of these indices, especially with the US. And there was another one too that completely changed directions on the current market movement. Let me see which one that was. Okay, we got the Dow. Oh, the IBEX. The IBEX was another one. All right. So with the IBEX in the US markets, we're seeing some very interesting changes taking place. But you would know this if you were part of our membership. You would know this. So get access to this report, and I'm going to get off the mic. This is Gabriel, the Forex Helper. I'll see you on the next update. God bless.